Hey guys, welcome to another lecture on PHP with MySQL Essential Training. Today we are going to discuss about another data types. Those are array, null, and constants data type. Let's jump into our desktop. Start the jam control panel. Check Apache and MySQL and check from browser whether it's running or not. Okay, let's open Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and save it as arrays. Okay, save it as PHP. Okay, save it. Okay, first of all, we are going to discuss about PHP arrays. An array stores multiple values in one single variable. Let's think like that. There are lots of variables in a single data type that is called an array. Suppose there are three car 1, car 2, car 3. Suppose car 1 value is Volvo. I'm showing you like this. Car 1 is Volvo, car 2 is BMW, and car 3 is Toyota. Okay, in normal scenario, we declare variable and put the value there. If in case if we have our 1,000 variable and 1,000 value to put in, so in that case this is not best way to represent those. We can put like that. Those represents the same. Okay, we can equal those. Suppose we are going to echo this. My project arrays. Okay, I like Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. Okay. Here you see there is an basic example for that. Delete those. Okay, so we have learned however the syntax is array name is car and those are variable. The variable this is position 0, this is 1, this is 2. So we call that variable by array position cars 1, cars 2 and it was cars 0. In PHP there are three types of arrays. First of all, indexed arrays with a numeric index, and there is associative array. This is arrays with named key, and last one, multi-dimensional arrays who is containing one or more arrays. We will discuss about that in short in few moments. We can count how many elements are there by function name count function. Let's try this one. Echo count this. Okay. We should introduce a break for better viewing that. Okay. Echo break. Okay, let's try this one. There are three variables, you can say. Let's put another variable for better understanding. Volvo, BMW, Tata, we can say Honda. Okay. Now there are four variables here: Volvo, BMW, Toyota and Honda. So run this page again, it will show 4. So let's jump into indexed array. There are two ways to create index arrays. The index can be assigned automatically. Index always start at 0 like this. You can show it in a while. This is the default way. It automatically assigns the indexing 0, 1, 2. Okay. The following example creates an indexed array named cars, assign 3 elements to it, and then print a text containing the array values. Okay. There are another way to loop through and print all the values of an index array. You could use for loop like this. We're going to show you. This one is same array length. By this we can find, okay, echo cars. Let's begin. Let's check this one. Run this. Control save and run this. Delete those. Put a break here. Okay. Here you see, by this for loop, we printed all the values of an indexed array. Okay, we we could use some other, let's see, let's add another element here. And let's add another element like Mazda. Okay, should use double quote. Okay. Here you see it's working. Okay, let's check the associative array. PHP associative arrays are arrays that use named keys that will assign to them. So there are two ways to create an associative array. We are going to show you. Here is an way to show you an associative array. Suppose Peter age is 35, Ben age is 37, Joe age is 43. This is a way to declare an associative array. There is another way by splitting those. Name of the array age. The Peter is 35. The array name age. Name person name Ben is 35 and Joe is 43. Okay, then let's check out something. Let's echo. Just delete this. Echo Peter is, we call this value Peter age is 35. It will return this value 35, age of Peter. Let's check. Save. Peter is 35 years old. We can also use loop here, for loop or for each loop here to loop through and print all the values of an associative array. You could use a for loop for each loop. I'm going to show you an example. Here you see we have shown this earlier. We use for each. We declare age as an x variable, and here is the value. In array, Peter is an variable and value is 35, the age actually. Let's see, echo key equal to the variable and value. And let's see what happens here. Let's put a page break, line break, I guess. Here you see key name is Peter and value is 35. Okay, that's all about associative array. Let's check out multi-dimensional arrays. PHP multidimensional arrays we have described as there are a single list of key or value pairs. However, sometimes you want to store values with more than one key. For this we have multidimensional arrays. PHP multidimensional arrays is a array containing one or more variable. PHP supports multidimensional arrays that are 2, 3, 4, 5 or more levels deep. However, arrays more than 3 levels deep are hard to manage for most people. The dimension of an array indicates the number of indices you need to select an element. For a two-dimensional array, you need two indices to select an element. For a three-dimensional array, you need three indices to select an element. Okay. A two-dimensional array is an array of arrays. A three-dimensional array is an array of arrays. We're going to show you some examples first. Example will be like this. Actually, here you see this is a multi-dimensional array. The array name is cars. The value we can store now the two-dimensional cars containing 4 arrays. Okay, and 2 indices, row and column. Suppose we can the value Volvo, we have 22 in stock and 18 we have sold. BMW, there are 15 in stock and 13 we have sold. So other is accordingly shown. Let's see an example. Delete this. Okay. Save this one and check out the result. Put a break. Stock Volvos, eco cars in stock. In stock 0, sold 1. In stock, let's check out. Okay, we have something to declare first. We haven't declared the array. As a car, the array has been declared here, and we have echoed car name 00. In stock value 01, this is called 01 and this is called 02. So another way we call this 10 10 11 and 12 position. Here you see in stock 22 18 22 18 15 and 13 15 and 13. others. We can show the same output using for loop inside another for loop to get elements of cars array. We will have to point to the two indices also. Let's check this out. Put a break here. Okay. Here row equal to 0, row is less than 4. There are 4 elements, then the condition is 4, less than 4, and row number will increase 1 by 1. Okay. For the condition is here is this condition satisfied the row number, and another for loop is for column. This is also same. We have 3 column, 1 2 3, product name, in stock, and is item sold. So we have 3 column here. Okay, I hope we covered so far about multidimensional arrays. There are another arrays named sorting array. PHP sorting arrays, this is also important. The element is an array can be sorted in alphabetical or numeric order, descending or ascending. There are some few built-in function for that. We are going to check those shortly. Let's check this out. We are not getting an output. Why? Let's get on the page for sorting. There's some problem, I guess. Save as sort. Okay, we did not equal anything. Volvo, Toyota, BMW. Okay. This is reversely sorted, I guess. Let's try a sort. BMW will go up, I guess. Let's try this sort. Here you see it has changed. It has been changed. Try something else. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 11, 12. Let's try our sort. It has changed. Let's try 2 at a time. Yes, sort. Okay, here is a reverse order and ascending order. You can try other sorting functions like ksort or arsort or krsort. You can try those also. So guys, let's jump into the constant. PHP constants are like variables, except that once they are defined, they cannot be changed or undefined. A constant is an identifier or name for a simple value. The value cannot be changed during the script. A valid constant name starts with a letter or underscore or $sign before the constant name. You should remember that unlike variables, constants are automatically global across the entire script. To create a constant, use the define function. The syntax will be first the name, then value, and it is also case insensitive. Those are parameter inside define functions. By default, the value is case insensitive. So check. We should see. We should check those command inside our jump script, inside our jump environment. Let's open. Let's create a new file. Paste the code and save it as constant constant. The file type will be PHP. Okay, save this one. Constant. Remove this one. Welcome to Khandakar Academy. Echo greetings. The name of the function is defined and the parameter name is greetings that we have called, and value is welcome to Khandakar Academy, as you see the output here. Let's try the case insensitivity or sensitivity. Let's try this one. I hope this should work. We have to remove that. Okay. Here we have found an warning for case insensitive. Greetings. If we call this with that, it will remove the warning and show the output. The warning came from this. Remove this. Okay, here you see. PHP constant. In PHP 7 we can create an array constant using the defined function. Let's check this. Check this example for Alpha Romeo. The first area variable here. If we want to call this value, it will show Toyota. Constants are global. Constants are automatically global and can be used across the entire script. We can check this. We have defined a function here inside my test. Echo greetings. This one. We can call this function outside this parameter. Welcome to Here you see it shows nothing. If we that's all about constant. There are another special null value represent a variable with no values. Null is the only possible value of type null. A variable is considered to be null if it has been assigned the constant null, it has not been set to any value yet, or it has been declared as unset function. Let's create another file and set this one as null. Okay, it shows nothing. So let's take another example. We have declared a variable x is hello world, then we have put in the value null and it returns null. If we comment this line and we call this command, here you see the output. That's all about today's lecture. We have learned about the different kind of arrays, constant, and the special data type null. We have also learned different type of arrays like associative array, indexed array, multi-dimensional array, and another one is sorting array. So followed by we have learned constant and nulls also. So I hope you learned. See you next time. Bye.